Did you know there is a brand new airdrop that is giving out a free $30? No deposit, no KYC, and it works worldwide. Yeah, this is not one of those fake promises or complicated crypto stuff. All you need is your phone, internet connection, and just a few minutes of your time. This is called the Efson Airdrop and it is 100% free. I already claimed my $30 and in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process. You can get yours before it is too late. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I will also show you a bonus tip that will help you to earn more. So without more delay of your time, let's dive into the video. Alright, step 1. Open the link in the description below. That is the official Efson Airdrop page. Once you are there, you will see a simple registration form. Enter your email, create a password, and make sure you verify your email address. It is super quick. After that, log into a dashboard. Now this is the sweet part. You will see a $30 bonus already waiting for you. That is your airdrop reward just for signing off. The registration was changed. Now you can only sign off with your phone number. So if you are in Nigeria, you can come over right here, click on it and select your country. So which country you are, it really doesn't matter. You can select your country right here. So after you select your country, you can enter your phone number right here. Then they will send you a verification code to your WhatsApp where you can come over right here and paste that particular code. So after you log into a dashboard, you can see center, spot account, application transfer, tax center, invitation reward, system notification, change password, account security. So all you need to do is to click on this spot account. So this is where you can see your $30 welcome bonus, and you can withdraw this $30 in 5 of July. So that is the official listing date of Efson Airdrop. And if you invite your friends, you can earn some USDT right here. So if you look over right here, I have $1.50, which if I like, I can withdraw it right here. And then you can come over right to this personal center where you can sign in every day and get your coins, which you can withdraw instantly if you want. So let me go ahead and show you the actual airdrop that they will give you if you sign in every day. Account again, you see this particular coin, gem cash. If you see over right here, I have $0.24. So if I want, I'm go ahead and swap it to USDT. So let me go ahead and swap it to USDT right here. So let me change this gem to gem cash. So let me select gem cash, and then right over here, I'm gonna go ahead and select USDT. So click on maximum, then confirm. So as you can see right here, it's loading. You see the swapping is now successfully. So let me go ahead and show you my USDT balance right here. So if you look over right here, I have a balance of $1.75 of USDT, which if I like, I can go ahead and withdraw it instantly. So this is how you can sign in every day and collect that particular gem cash and withdraw it directly to your wallet. So if you come over right to this tax center, this is where you can go ahead and do some tax to earn some airdrop. Like you can do daily check-in, shares a lucky draw betting, daily check-in, new user registration. So they will give you a bonus of that particular $30 that I've just showed you. So this particular airdrop is absolutely free, no KYC required, and it works worldwide. So you can invite your family and friends from here. You can earn their official token. So their official token price right now is $3, right, like this. Let me show you. So if you look over right here, I have a $30. which is worth of 10 airdrop of this Efson. So the official price of this Efson airdrop is $3 per one Efson airdrop. So basically that is the official price of this Efson airdrop. Let me go ahead and show you where you can put your wallet address. So this is where you're going to put your wallet address. So you can go over to your wallet and copy ERC, which is Ethereum USDT. Copy it, come over right here and paste it. You see it right here. Please fill in the correct ERC20 address. So you can put your address right here and then click on confirm. So on the 5th of July we can receive this particular airdrop. So you can invite your family and friends in order to get more amazing airdrop like this. So if you are getting value from this video and you are enjoying it, so make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. So that is what I want to show you guys in this video. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel, the link in the description below. So thank you for watching guys. See you in my next video. Peace out.